She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Woke up 10 minutes before the class. Oh my gosh, mom! Hang on, my cupboard is open. So we are now back to the study vlogs, guys. Hello! Araiko! So basically right now, it's like week 10 of uni. I have like 2 quizzes due today, so let's just get into this study vlog and try and get back into the groove of things. First, we need to clear up this area because it's a bit of a mess. It's kind of messy, just kind of messy because I did a bit of cutting. I've just been like trimming a lot of these like aesthetic pictures because I am starting a journal. I'm just going to be transforming this into a language journal. And if you don't know, I'm learning Chinese Mandarin right now, and I also speak Tagalog English and very conversational Korean. So I'm gonna be turning this into my journal where I just write in those languages to practice writing and sentence structures, grammar structures, or whatever, because I know that the main majority of my viewers came from my How I Study Korean video. I will be continuing that series, and this is also part of it. I will be doing some study with me's, or like how I study Chinese, how I study Korean, stuff like that. So I'm gonna clean all this right away and I'll get back to you. So here is my list. Print management notes. Watch management videos. So I have all of my notes that I printed out that I'm going to annotate when I watch. So next, I guess we just have to start watching the videos. I've always been dreading. I don't know why, I just haven't been in the groove lately, so maybe that's another reason why. I like to drag it here so that I have a bigger screen. Bro, internet's so bad.
With no captain, no goalkeeper, goalkeepers.
Alright, so I officially have my new list right here. And now we're just gonna watch the videos, and I don't know if I'm gonna play a bit because it might be a bit long. So I'll probably just share a bit of like a few snippets and stuff. So yeah, let's go. No way. Wait, no. Don't even tell me. Don't even tell me. Please. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? All this time that I spent into like typing up these notes, that was for my class that I've already done like last year, and I don't know what was going through my mind. Why am I such a noob? Just because they have the same subject name and different number. I was like, why do I already know this? Please feel sympathy for me because that really just made me so sad. I was like so in the mood to do all of this, but no! So I'm going to try and take notes. Oh, I don't like this though. Alright, sorry, music on. So I just resulted in typing up the notes and like summarizing it that way. So I've just been listening to some music, heard this really new song, and it's pretty decent though. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but Yeah, go check it out. It's called Vapor Rub or something by this girl called Twee. So I've been typing it up in here, and then I have my lecture slides up there. We can do this. We can do this. Let's go. Alright y'all, so my sister and mom came back from the shops, so I'm just gonna have to take down my laptop because they're calling me down for dinner, and I gotta turn off my room lights. Oh my gosh! What? Oh! Look at that goodness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What chocolate? Your favorite?
I'm joking, that's so spicy.
Break time. Again. Yeah.
Alright, so I just finished all of the notes. It is currently 8:20, and I have to do my 2 quizzes for Chinese very soon. So my plan is I'm going to quickly brush up on my Chinese, and then I will do both of the quizzes for that. And then after that, that's when I'm going to prepare for my management quiz, because that one is due at 12 o'clock. The sound of satisfaction. And as you know, because Chinese is pretty hard, just in case anyone else out there is like struggling as well, I want to do more study Chinese with me videos. So I want to practice my Chinese writing skills even more, and like writing sentences and stuff. So that's why I got my journal from earlier, so that I can, you know, practice it there. Let go. $16块一斤，16 16。您的小梅真贵，不贵，我的小梅好吃，您可以尝一下，尝一下，便宜，14块一斤，好吗？14块一斤，30块2斤。Okay, so now I plan on doing the grammar quiz. I'm a bit nervous, but it's okay. I did so bad in last week's one because it was Mother's Day and I totally forgot about it. But not today.
便宜，便宜，便宜。
Okay, now I'm gonna move on to the next. I'm probably boring you so much, so... when something interesting happens, I will come back. So, Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, please like this video if you enjoyed it. I wonder why you would enjoy it. It's like so lame. But yeah, don't forget to comment down below, or if you have any video ideas, feel free to comment down below, and please subscribe because it'll make me super happy. But yeah, I'll just see you in my next one. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something